Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Stacy J, and today we're going to be making a Snickers salad. I know. Y'all probably thinking a Snickers salad. What is that? Yeah, this is not your typical salad. It's not with the green leafy lettuce or the tomatoes and the croutons. No, this is going to be a salad with some great, tasty, sweet ingredients, y'all. I'm telling you. We're going to have apples. We're going to have caramel. I promise you, you will love it. Stay tuned, and I'm about to show y'all what I'm finna make. Tonight I wanted something sweet to eat, so I decided to make a Snickers salad. I went to the store and I got about 5 to 6 apples, some whipped cream, some Hershey's caramel syrup, and 2 packs of fun-sized Snicker bars. If you don't like Snickers, you are more than welcome to replace that with any type of candy that you like, whether it's Kit Kat, Almond Joy, Payday, whatever. We're going to go ahead and slice those apples up really, really fine to bite-sized pieces. Also, we're going to go ahead and move along to the Snicker Bars. Cut those up really, really finely and just place those right onto your apples. This part is my favorite. I love whipped cream. I do recommend, though, for this recipe that you use Cool Whip. They were out at the grocery store tonight, so I had to just stick with what I had. Now, after mixing our whipped cream in, we're going to go ahead and transfer this over into a medium-sized serving bowl. Let's go ahead and top this baby off because it's looking good already. As a topping, we're going to take those Snicker bars that we chopped up earlier and just sprinkle those on top. Last but not least, we are going to add our caramel drizzle. Yes, this looks so delicious and it's so pretty. I don't know if I just want to have it sitting here on the counter or just go ahead and dive right into it, but y'all go try it. Hey, here you go, y'all. Okay, so after a long week of work, we've been eating good all week. But today, Saturday, we got this Snickers salad, baby, and we cheating tonight. So come on, let's dive into it and see what it tastes like. I'm so ready, y'all. This is good. Mmm. Y'all, please try this. Please try it. Apples, caramel, whipped cream, and Snickers. Mmm. I did my big one again. Go try it, y'all. I promise you won't be disappointed. It's exactly what I thought it would be. Oh, yeah. All right, y'all. I'm out for tonight. Y'all have a good one.